Instead, the strategic environment is defined by what we call VUCA. VUCA simply means volatility. Volatility. Can I continue? Volatility, uncertainty. Yes, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. That's the definition of your life. Volatility, unstable, volatile, can change within any seconds. Exactly. Volatility, uncertainty. Then 3, complexity. Extremely complex. The world is extremely, you as an individual, you're extremely complex. Complexity and ambiguity. So the question is, how do you now survive in such an environment? That is what we are now discussing. That is the nature of the strategic environment. That is the nature of your life, of every life. Volatility, uncertainty, complexity, ambiguity. When you say volatility now, that's not say changes. It's not fixed. It can be this now, very okay, very cool, then suddenly it becomes hot. When they say you are volatile, you don't know what triggers it. You don't know what annoys it. Uncertainty, that one is easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow is too far. You don't know the next 20 minutes. You don't know the next 30 minutes. And that's how the world is. Said on uncertainty, you prepare for the exam, then suddenly you get to school, they said no exam. Again, you are ready to write that thing, then suddenly you are holding your stomach. Said uncertainty, complexity. There is no one size fits all in understanding the world. There is no one size fits. Even Panadol does not target everything. Now, so complexity, when they say something is ambiguous, more than one, you can't explain a human being's behavior based on one personality. No, they even say you have dual personality. You have more than dual personality. I'm sure the one you are familiar with is the people that they call sociopath or psychopath, that they have no human feeling. They are very okay, but then on Monday, then on Tuesday, they become something else as it is. But that is exactly how the world is. It is sunny today, then tomorrow you are not sure. It will be dark. Then the day after, no sun at all. So the strategic environment is VUCA. Now, how do you now understand this VUCA? Sorry, I have to end the lecture. How do you now understand this VUCA, this strategic environment? 2 theories. Just 2 theories. The first one is chaos theory. Chaos, or what we used to call chaos. Chaos theory and complexity theory. Now, chaos, when you hear chaos, you are thinking of anarchy. As a chaos theory and complexity, like Yoruba was something that is bad, you use another thing that is bad to understand it. So I said, the strategic environment is VUCA, volatile, uncertain, then ambiguous, and complex. No problem. Now, how do you now figure out that environment now? You use chaos theory, and you use that thing called the complex theory. That is the answer to that too. What those theories are simply saying is this. If you expect the unexpected, then prepare for the unexpected. If you expect the unexpected, then you prepare for that unexpected. If the man gives areas of concentration, assume in your mind that you won't give that question in the exam. And so that means you are preparing for the unexpected. Then that means you are not going to fail. I'll repeat it again. I said the word is complex, ambiguous, and so on and so forth. Then how do you now understand that word? You used another complex thing, an ambiguous thing, to understand that complex word. So if it is unexpected, then you, as an individual, you prepare for the unexpected. Then you overcome. Not that you jump the bridge when you get there. No, you assume from the beginning that the bridge is not there. There are 2 different things. I will resolve that problem when we get to the bridge. We will assume from the word go that the bridge is even non-existent. So that by the time you get there, now you won't be disappointed. Not all this, I have faith, I believe it. No, there are 2 different things entirely, as it is.